I was in New York doing a television interview a couple of years ago, several years ago now. And after I completed the interview, the fellow who was doing the interviewing said, you know, you're doing the same work as this cell biologist, Bruce Lipton. And I said, I'm doing the same work as a cell biologist. How do you figure that one? He said, well, watch his video. He gave me a copy of it. I watched it, and I was just amazed as I watched what this cell biologist is doing. Now, I've been teaching this work for going on to close to 40 years now. And here's what the latest in medical research is showing. When you think of thought, that thought turns into a molecule in your body. That molecule, which is called a neuropeptide, circulates around in your structure until it finds a cell with a receptor site that matches. And then the cell that it lands on replicates the neuropeptide chemically, and you get to live with the chemistry of your thoughts. Now, if you've ever found yourself in any of these states of non-being, guilt, shame, anger, fear, irritation, stupidity, pride, worn out, your mind says, well, I only feel those things because other people do things. They make me angry. They frighten me. They just wear me down. And I would offer that whatever excuse your mind uses to justify that somebody else is responsible for your hostility and fear, there has only ever been, there will only ever be one reason that you will ever in your life experience hostility and fear. And the reason will be because it is in your physiology. If it is not in your physiology, then you can't experience it. And when someone comes along and triggers it in you, an interesting thing happens in this human mind. We take what it is that we don't want to be responsible for. We've been through it 1,000 times, but we've always got somebody else to blame for it when it comes up in us. You made me angry. You made me afraid. You made me sad. You made me this. You made me that. And there is no you made me that is true. You only ever experience those energies because they are in your own physiology.